What are we doing today?
All right, Sean, we're going to drag this 71 Challenger home today. What? Oh, okay, got it. All right. All right, guys. Easy. Okay. Hey, you got a little air compressor here? Pull out some more. All right, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. His tire's going to come off the bead. Hey, let me unhook you. Hold on. Hold on. All right. That tire's going to come off the bead. Well, the bead's going to come off. It's flat. It's flat.
I know. Why would the bead pop off?
Because it's flat and we're dragging it. All right.
I don't have a thing.
Okay. All right. All right. You going that way? Why don't we back up the trailer over here? Want to back the trailer up over here?
I already got the ramps out again. Yeah.
Yeah, let's do that. Pull it in.
Now. Yes, nicely.
Please. It's hard to get a good help. We lined up pretty good?
Let's get over here.
Okay.
Straighten out once you get rolling.
Yeah. Yep. Well, make up your mind. Okay, we're up. Good, good. I don't know what says perfect, not you.
Well, for reference, when you're these cars, this is perfect.
What are you doing? All right. Should we put a strap on it? No. Like you said, what? How's it going to fall off the bead? The tire's completely off now.
Put a strap on because when I go uphill, it's probably going to pull this way.
Oh, it's fine.
Now, go forward.
Look at the patina on that thing, Sean.
Spider webs come with it.
Yeah. Front wheels hanging off.
I know, it did roll up. I was like, shit.
Louisiana. What's the date on it? Well, it says 75 up here in the corner, or 81. Maybe it's been sitting a while.
Originally 75, and last registered in 81.
Yeah. Looking on this. Get it over some more, cuz. Hey, keep going. Go ahead. Yeah, let me get the bug out of there.
Let me go all the way next door.
Yeah. Well, no, you can't. Let me get it out of there.
Oh, 3 out of 4.
He's gonna have to. Yeah, that ain't gonna work.
Goddamn genius. Yeah, that's experience and knowledge.
That's why I make the big bucks.
Hey, that speedometer cable, this shit's expensive.
Okay.